everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on the Plouise palette. I've actually used this palette before, so it isn't a first impressions, but I figured why not use it on my channel. I haven't featured it before, and maybe some of you guys don't have the palette and you want to know what it looks like. So I'm just going to show you a close-up of the shades. So you're getting quite a good variety of matte shades, and then on the end here you can see that there is some shimmery shades. This palette retails for £40 and the packaging is nice and sleek. It's got all of their socials on the back, so if you want to have a look at the Plouise social media accounts, then just search these. If you haven't heard about Plouise palette and her company and what she does, then get to know, because she is a really good makeup artist. She has her own makeup academy. It's gone out of control, and so many makeup artists are wanting to be the standard of Plouise. She is like 3 years ahead of the game. She's so in front of everyone. She's so on trend. She knows what's good. She knows what works, and I'm really looking forward to seeing more products from her. She does have a Plouise base, which is an eyeshadow base. I have 2 of the bases right here. If you want me to do a video using the bases, then let your girl know down below. Let's just get straight on with the tutorial. I just went ahead and did my brows off camera as well, so I'm looking extra right now. So to start with, which is this red shade here, and I'm gonna pack this where my crease fold is, and then I'm going to take a really big fluffy brush and take the shade Plouise. Then I'm going to add the shade Burnt, which is this one here. And put this on the outer corner and just bring it up. And then I'm going to go in with the shade Bestie, which is this one. And I'm going to put Bestie on my lower lid and smoke it out. And then taking the shade Charm, which is this white one, I'm going to press this on the inner corner. My back hurts. Then I'm going to take my NYX glitter glue, pop this on the back of my hand. I'm going to pat this all over the brush so it's soaked, and just go where we placed that white as kind of like a border. I'm just going to pat this in where I want my glitter to go. If you watched my previous video, you know that I tried out the Revolution glitters and I got another colour. So this one is in the shade Grand Gesture. I came through on my word. I said I'd buy more. So I'm going to pop this into the lid. So this is the colour, and this is what it looks like. It's really pretty, this one. It's like a pink gold. So I'm just taking that same brush again, and I'm just going to pat this onto where we put the glue. for the bottom lash line, I'm gonna add I think I'm just gonna add the colour Latte, which is this brown shade. I'm just gonna press that into my bottom lash line. And then smoke it out. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my makeup, and then I will come back and I'll talk about the formulas, the colour payoff and everything else that you would like to know. So I'll be back in one sec. So as you can tell, I've popped on some really big hoops and I've done the rest of my face. I have a hair on my lip and it's really annoying me. Moving on, so as you can see, this is the eye look that I've created. This has actually kind of turned out to be a little bit more of a different video for me, because this is an eye look that it's just such a different style to what I'd normally do. I know, been out of my comfort zone for me, something a little bit easier, something that I'm not normally drawn to, but either way I'm actually really happy with it, and I'm just looking in my mirror now, but it looks so nice if I do this in myself. But you wouldn't realise, but I actually have been to the doctors since this video, and I'm filming the intro and outro later on in the evening. And if you follow me on Instagram, then you know that I suffer from migraines. So I went to the doctors to get my tablets changed. A different tablet, I cannot remember what it's called, but we're just gonna have to see how that works out for me. But if anyone does suffer from migraines, comment down below if you found anything that works for you. I know I suffer terribly with them. I get really severe ones, but I don't want to bore you in this video because obviously we're here for the Plouise palette. So as I said, this isn't a first impressions. I have tried the palette before and I do love the palette. I think the colours are really on trend, and I don't know, it's just such a nice palette, and I love matte colours. I'm a strong matte shade wearer. I like shimmer shades, but I like there to be more variety of mattes. So they obviously have the two shimmer shades here and the rest is all matte, and the white shade is so pigmented. Like, they're all really pigmented, and I do have the bases, so if you want me to do a video on the Plouise base then I can. But yeah, overall the palette is £40. It's definitely worth every penny. You're getting really nice shades, really pigmented, blendable shades for £40, and it's definitely worth the money. And yeah, like, literally one of my holy grail palettes. Like, I love using this palette. And yeah, so that concludes my Plouise makeup tutorial kind of thing. So thank you so much for watching my video. Make sure to subscribe down below so you don't miss any videos from me. Give it a massive thumbs up if you enjoyed, and comment down below so we can talk. But without further ado, thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
This could be us. So back to what I was saying. Could be us.